When can you make a complaint against your pharmacy for negligence? Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. The answer to that question is pretty simple. It's when they're negligent. Your pharmacy. When is your pharmacy negligent? Your drugstore, the people that supply pharmaceuticals that your doctor prescribes to you. When could that be negligence? Well, let's say that your doctor gave you a prescription for medication or called it in to the pharmacy. You went to the pharmacy and you picked up the medication and they gave you the wrong one. They somehow mixed up the order and you got somebody else's medication. Is that negligence? Well, yes, obviously that's negligence. But the real question is, did that negligence harm you? Did it cause you any harm? Let's say that you go in to pick up your medicine that the doctor called in for you, and you get home with it and you take one of the pills out of the bottle and you say, oh, this pill is round. The pills I normally take are square. So you go back to the pharmacy and you tell the pharmacist, and he says, oh, I'm sorry, we made a mistake. Is that something that you could recover in tort for? No, because you didn't suffer any damage. You didn't even take the medicine. But let's say that you went to the pharmacy, you picked up the medicine, and it turned out to be the wrong medicine, and you took it for several days before you figured it out. And the way you figured it out was you got violently sick, and you had to go to the hospital, and the hospital told you that you were lucky to be alive because you'd been on this medication that was intended for someone else. Some medications can be dangerous, folks. Not only are you deprived of the medicine you actually need, but you are taking medication that you don't need, that's prescribed for someone else. And sometimes these medications, especially the ones that are prescribed for various mental disorders, like perhaps schizophrenia, things like that, can be very dangerous for someone who does not have that disorder. So that is when a pharmacy can be liable for negligence and for the harm it causes.